Welcome to Art of Yesh. Every guy wants wavy hair, but you style it, it looks great, and an hour later it's flat. That happens because your hair is too smooth, too heavy, or too organized. Here's how to fix it. First, stop washing every day. Shampoo strips natural oils, and those oils give hair grip. Wash 2 or 3 times a week so your hair can actually hold shape. Second, ditch the comb. Combs line hairs up like soldiers, killing volume. Use your fingers to shape and separate, then let it dry. Third, fix the haircut. One-length hair is heavy. Ask your barber for layers and texture so the hair lifts instead of collapsing. Fourth, use sea salt spray. Apply a small amount to damp hair, scrunch upward, and air dry or use low heat. It adds texture, not permanent waves. Grip, lightness, and separation are the system. Master that, and your waves last.